In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily book your next tour or activity using Viator and PayPal, ensuring a smooth and secure transaction. This guide is perfect for avid travelers like you, wanting to explore the world without any hassle. Let's dive right into the process. First off, you want to start by finding the tour or activity that sparks your interest. Viator is filled with countless options, so take your time browsing through their extensive collection of adventures. Once you've spotted the perfect activity that tickles your wanderlust, go ahead and select it. But hold on. There's a bit more to do before finalizing your experience. You'll need to choose your preferred date, when you're planning to go on this amazing adventure. After setting the date, you should specify the number of travelers joining in, whether it's just you or a group of friends or family. Also, don't forget to select any additional options that might be offered. This could include add-ons or special requests that can enhance your experience. Make sure everything is in order, and when you're ready, proceed to checkout. At this point, you'll be redirected to the payment and checkout page, which is usually powered by Viator's system. Here's where the real action begins. As you arrive on the payment screen, your task is to scroll through the available payment options until you spot PayPal. You might see other choices like credit, debit card, or Google Pay. But for today's purpose, we're focusing on PayPal. Once you've identified PayPal, select it as your payment method. Next, you'll notice a PayPal window popping up. This is your cue to log in to your PayPal account. Begin by entering your PayPal email address, making sure there are no typos. Precision is key here. After that, type in your PayPal password. With your credentials entered, it's time to confirm your funding source. PayPal provides flexibility, allowing you to choose between your bank account, a credit or debit card, or even your PayPal balance. Choose the one that suits you best. Once you've confirmed everything, it's wise to review your booking details one last time, just to ensure everything is as you want it to be. Double-check the date, number of travelers, and any special options you selected earlier. Everything looks good? Perfect! Now, it's time to wrap up the booking process. Go ahead and click on the Pay Now or Confirm and Pay button to finalize your payment. And just like that, you're all set. You've successfully booked your tour or activity with Viator using PayPal. Enjoy your upcoming adventures, and rest easy knowing your booking was handled with care and security. Thanks for joining us today. Happy travels!